The Craftsman 2000 Series 41-inch wide, 15-drawer tool chest and cabinet delivers the storage you need in the iconic design you love. Made in the USA with global materials and built with an extra deep I-frame construction, this combo collectively has over 27,816 cubic inches of storage space. Each of the 15 drawers supports 100 pounds, and ball bearings ensure that drawer slides will not slam shut. An internal locking system also offers extra protection for your tools. Lift the lid and you'll find a deep storage area featuring an integrated power strip complete with USB outlets. A deep power tool drawer on cabinet also includes outlets and cord access. Plus, the mobile design means you won't be tied down to any one spot. Stay organized and ready to go with the Craftsman 2000 Series 41-inch wide, 15-drawer tool chest and cabinet. Craftsman. We build pride.